Hi, this is section 4.3 Reading Guide Help, and hope it does help. Tune in. Okay, so this is lesson 15. At the bottom of the page of the reading guide, notice you can follow my red cursor here. Notice the mass of solute. If they give you grams and you need to get to moles, what you do is you need to take the grams and divide it by the molar mass. Molar mass is how much 1 mole of sample weighs. So this sample, which happens to be NaCl, you just take the atomic weights of sodium and chloride, add them together, and that's how you get the weight for 1 mole of sample. So that's basically what they gave you, is the weight for 1 mole of sample. And the calculation is this column right here. So we have grams, we divide it by the molar mass, and then you're going to get moles. One more time. You take this mass, you divide by this column, or the molar mass, and you're going to get moles. And I show my work here. Mass divided by molar mass gives you 1 mole. Alright, now what's going on over here in the left side? Well, in this column, you are solving for molarity, and so you let the units kind of help you determine what you're going to do next. Remember over here in the third column, you calculated moles. So what you need to do is you need to take this many moles, divide by the volume, and then you'll end up with the molarity. Again, I show the work here. Moles divided by volume gives you the molarity, and the molarity can be expressed as moles over liters. Alright, so you do one row at a time to answer this problem 5. Hope this helps. I'm going to go to the next problem. So for this one, this is lesson 16, the first page of it, and problem 3. So for problem 3, you see that I have, here's my little red cursor again, that I have to ultimately get molarity, which again is moles over liters. So to get this ratio, we need to break it down. So let's start with amount of substance. That would be the grams, the 10 grams. So what we need to do is we have 10 grams of copper sulfate, and we need to get it into moles, because remember, the amount of substance is the mole amount in the numerator. So we go over to the periodic table, add up the molar masses of 1 copper, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygen. Then we divide the given mass, the 10 grams of copper sulfate, by the molar mass of copper sulfate. That's going to give us moles. Right. Now all we have to do is divide those moles by the volume of the liquid in the beaker. So what you do there is you have 100 mils, which is actually a tenth of a liter. So we have moles, we have the tenth of a liter, we divide the mole amount by the liter amount, and we get our molarity. So there's the problem worked out for number 3, the first one. Somebody in class mentioned these 110 grams. What were they supposed to represent? Nothing. They're absolutely nothing. It's just a picture to show you that this is a scale. So disregard these amounts right here. Okay. All right, so you do the same process for the second and third problem, and you should be good to go. All right, tune in for the next page. This is the last page of help here for section 4.3. Hope this helps. So for number 4, part A, you need to do it in 2 steps. Here's my little cursor again. First step is find moles. Second step is find molarity. What you do. This is giving you a gram of potassium oxide. What you need to do is divide the 1 gram of potassium oxide by its molar mass. That'll give you moles. All right. Step 2. Once you have moles, you can divide it by the volume. So in liters. So you take your moles here, divide it by your 1 liter, and you've got molarity. All right. So again, good luck on your studying this weekend, and hope this helps for Monday's quiz.